Meet Terry. As a child, he wanted to be a magical dancer, but after completing his exams, he had to face the perks of having Indian parents. Now he wants to be an engineer. He asks his friends for suggestions regarding institutes, but they make it more difficult for him. Confused, he approaches everyone's best friend. He gets more confused. He crosses all limits and goes to the tabooed page. Now they have really confused him. Finding a coaching institute can be such a pain in the ass. But not anymore. We present before you Coaching Arena, your one-stop solution to compare courses offered by different coaching institutes. Terry comes to know about this website and decides to give it a shot. He logs on to coachingarena.in and starts looking for institutes. He selects the city and gets a list of institutes, both the popular and not so popular ones. Along with the basic information like address, contact number, courses offered, he is also able to view key highlights of the institutes like teachers' details, past results, and fee structure. Now, since Terry signed up on the site, he is also able to view sample papers, sample videos, and sample notes of different coaching institutes. That's all about Terry's journey. Now let us tell you something about us. We got out of the building to test our idea. We spoke to a couple of institutes about our idea and recorded their response. In this process, we realized our mistakes and further refined our idea. For example, we refined our target segment into 3 categories: smaller institutes that are willing to expand, smaller institutes unwilling to expand, and bigger institutes. We are currently gathering information about institutes by contacting them through email, phone, and social media. So here comes the big question. How much is this industry worth? 100 crores? 200 crores? 2000 crores? Nah, coaching industry in Kota itself is worth that much. According to ASSOCHAM, by 2015, this industry will be worth 200,000 crores. In the past 6 years, this industry has experienced a 35% increase in value. As of 2014, it is valued at a whopping $23.7 billion, which is expected to rise to $40 billion by 2015, an increase of 68%. A typical institute spends around 10% on marketing, of which not more than 0.1% is spent on maintaining an online reputation. There's a huge market out there to be tapped into. Our main source of revenue will be through tailored ads and sponsored listings. As we'll gain popularity, we'll also start selling database. As of now, our main competitor is Shiksha.com, but it is primarily focused on colleges and has a very poor database of coaching institutes. Other competitors include yellow pages like Just Dial and Sulekha. Our initial aim is to cover Delhi and Kota completely and then expand to other major hubs in the country. We plan to give subdomains to those institutes who sign up with us. In the long run, we also plan to introduce counseling services. We are Coaching Arena.